परमात्म समारंभम ऋषिगण मध्यमम सद्गुरु पर्यंतम वंदे गुरु परंपरम। आदेश जय महाकाल।
Vitamin A, this is very necessary to our body. This is one of the main vitamin. This is good for healthy skin and body growth. Vitamin A good for eye vision and respiratory system. Vitamin A necessary to human body. Vitamin A available in cod liver oil, milk, curd, butter, pumpkin, green leafy vegetables, tomato, mango, papaya, orange, watermelon, etc. But we are all well known about vitamin A available in carrot. That is true. Carrot is the available in lot of quantity of the vitamin A. But here one main thing is there. But so many people they are eating the carrot in raw carrot or carrot juice like that. They will get the vitamin A and carrot curry also. But that's true. But seriously, the actual vitamin A more quantity available in by the carrot, only eating of carrot halwa. We are all well known about the carrot halwa. This is the one of the tasteful sweet made from carrot. In that carrot halwa, we can use for sweet point of view rock sugar only. And oil point of view, you don't use the any oil, you can use only cow's ghee. These two things are the very important thing. In cow's ghee and rock sugar and carrot, both are using and making the carrot halwa. This is the more quantity of available in the vitamin A. Deficiency of the vitamin A. In case of deficient the vitamin A, then arise the eye problems and decrease the vision of the eye, frequency of the cold, skin allergies, at the same time low appetite. These type of problems will arise of the deficiency of vitamin A. If healthy concentration point of view, if you take more and more vitamin A, it means that vitamin A content more than that the level of the increasing in our body, some other complications will arise. Those are the stomach disturbance, vomitings, headache, dry skin, hair removing. These type of complications will arise of the high dose of the vitamin A. So any vitamin we need for a sufficient margin of the quantity only. If it's deficiency, some other problems will arise. If it's more than that level of the one particular margin, that is also getting some other problems. So we have to maintain in proper level of the quantity only. Thank you. Atma Namaskaram.